In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the EA app download error in 2026. If you are stuck while installing or downloading games on the EA app, don't worry. This is usually caused by cache issues, internet problems, or corrupted files. First, a weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons for download errors. Next, close the EA app completely. Open Task Manager and end all EA-related processes. After that, reopen the app and try the download again. If the problem continues, clear the EA app cache. Go to the app settings and find the option to clear cache or reset app data. This removes corrupted temporary files that can block downloads. You should also try running the EA app as administrator. Right-click the app icon and select Run as Administrator to give it full permission to download files properly. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the EA app. This often fixes broken installation files and resolves download issues. So that's how you fix EA app download errors in 2026 and get your games downloading smoothly again.